It doesn't matter if you have no prior experience in making your own clothes. The courses start from the beginning. I could equally say that it is better to have no experience at all. Here, you will start from the beginning and proceed step by step so that you can learn how to make your own clothes as you have imagined them, easily and accurately. You will learn how to use the pattern cutting tools and templates, and we will explain to you the pattern making method in simple words and pictures so that you can use on your own in a variety of measurements and styles. However, even if you already have some experience, you will greatly benefit from this program because it allows you to build on the basics very quickly and move on to more advanced concepts and techniques to perfect your skills. Gradually, you will gain expertise in creating made-to-measure patterns and styles for all sizes and all body types.